So, you've dipped your toes into the world of investing with Acorns. That's awesome. But, you're probably wondering, how do I actually see my money grow? Right? Let's dive in. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why checking your balance isn't just about numbers. It's about progress. It's about seeing your financial goals inch closer. It's about feeling that satisfying catching moment when you realize your investments are working their magic. Okay, enough with the motivational speech. Let's get practical. Checking your Acorns balance, the basics. There are primarily two ways to check your Acorns balance. The Acorns app, this is the most straightforward method. Open your Acorns app. It's that little green acorn icon you downloaded with so much excitement. Once you're in, your balance should be front and center. It's usually displayed prominently on the home screen. If not, look for a portfolio or accounts tab. Tap on it, and voila! There's your balance. The Acorns website, if you prefer a bigger screen or just feel like doing things the old school way, you can log into your Acorns account on your computer. The layout might be slightly different, but the principle remains the same. Look for a portfolio or account summary section. That's where your balance will be displayed. Breaking down your balance. Your Acorns balance isn't just one number. It's a combination of different investments. So, let's break it down. Total balance, this is the big picture number. It shows you the total value of all your investments combined. Invested amount, this is the total amount of money you've put into Acorns. Unrealized gains/losses, this is the amount your investments have increased or decreased in value since you bought them. Don't get too caught up in this number. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Dividend income, if you're holding stocks that pay dividends, this shows how much you've earned from those. Understanding your investment performance. Now, seeing your balance is cool, but understanding how it's performing is even cooler. Most investment apps, including Acorns, offer performance charts and graphs. These can be a bit overwhelming at first, but they're a goldmine of information. Look for the overall trend. Is your investment value going up over time? That's a good sign. Pay attention to peaks and valleys. The market goes up and down. Don't panic when it goes down. It's part of the game. Compare your performance to a benchmark. Acorns often compares your portfolio's performance to a relevant index. This gives you a sense of how you're doing compared to the broader market. Tips for checking your balance. Set a schedule. Checking your balance too often can lead to emotional investing. Try to check in monthly or quarterly. Focus on the long term. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Short-term fluctuations don't matter as much as the overall trend. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's financial situation is different. Focus on your own goals. Additional features to explore. While we're on the topic of Acorns, let's quickly touch on some other cool features you might want to check out. Automatic investments. Set up recurring investments to make saving effortless. Round up. Let Acorns round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Goals. Set specific saving goals and track your progress. Found money. Acorns can find you money through rewards and rebates. In conclusion, checking your Acorns balance is more than just a number game. It's a way to monitor your financial progress and make informed decisions about your future. By understanding the different components of your balance and using the tools Acorns provides, you can gain valuable insights into your investment journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.